everyone. Yes, I'm live. I'm Lottie and Silvis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk about how do you become successful. Well, the only way you can become successful is that you can't put off things. You gotta be on time. You gotta have your goals written out. You gotta have a vision, and you have to take action. Um, if you don't take the action, how can you accomplish anything in life and become successful? And the best thing to do is be yourself, be your authentic you, do what you love to do what you have passion for, and just do it. Um, what I do is I focus on what I love doing. Okay, so I do have an online business, but I do also have a passion with my offline crafts. And I love doing craft shows, and it takes a lot of my time. And I'm sorry I haven't been making videos on my online business, but there are videos there that I have made and I've created. I've accumulated a lot of videos to help you to become successful. So read my channel description, follow who I follow. I do have mentors that I follow, I look up to, and you can do the same thing to do what you love to do mostly. Okay. And if you love being on the internet, you love working on your computer, if you love internet marketing, affiliate marketing, go for it. Learn all you can, get the information, get your education, and also include meditation. Law of attraction is so powerful. It can work for you, but you have to manifest it. You got to believe in yourself. You got to believe and focus. Put your whole tune and be in tune with yourself, along being your authentic you and creating your success story. Live out your success story, and you will be successful. Now, right now, I am actually have to clean up my area because I have a lot of crafts I have been making and I have been producing, and I've been learning a lot from other crocheters on YouTube. I learned my patterns from other crocheters. I get free patterns. I buy patterns on Etsy. I also have an Etsy shop, guys. If you want to check it out, go to Deesa's Dainty Crafts. Just look it up, and then you can see all my ebooks that I sell. I do sell digital uh, um, products. I think digital is the way to go. People makes it easy for everyone that they can download a file, a PDF file. And I haven't been really spending a lot of time with that because right now I'm focusing on my customers and what they're wanting me to make for them in the upcoming craft shows that I'm going to be doing this year. So this year I'm heavily focused on my craft shows. My vision is my craft shows right now. That's one of my goals. And I have to keep up with it. I can't have no slack. I can't put off things. I have to be on time. And at the same time, I'm recovering from my arm too because my arm, I actually had tendonitis on it. And I've been off work. This is my last week, 4 weeks. And then I go back to work next week. So I do work part-time, and hopefully my arm is completely well and better, and I can actually go back to work. So I think another couple weeks, and then my arm will be completely healed. But I will be working more. I'm picking up more shifts, and I'm also picking up more craft shows. So I will be trying to do videos in between. If you love my channel, you can always come back to my channel because I'm going to always upload a video. Doesn't matter when I'm going to do it or what time I'm going to do it, but you're going to see videos within the week. So I will check back with your channel if you subscribe to my channel. And I do go and browse through all the YouTube channels, and I try to subscribe to the channels that I love, the videos I love watching, and I support them too as well. And thank you everyone supporting my channel. under the description, they YouTube has added a new addition. It's called there's a right next to the like button. I think there's a thank you button there. If you want to support my channel, that's going to help me a lot. Actually, it's going to motivate me to make more videos, because when I see people are interested in my channel, of course, I'm going to increase my subscribers, my viewers. I'm going to increase, try to get more traffic to my channel too as well. Organically, I do hire people that I know that helps me to try to drive traffic. So everything that you do, everything you focus yourself in trying to accomplish is all set by your application, what you push and put into your website, because you're going to need help from other people. It's not just by you doing everything yourself organic. You can hire somebody from FIVVER to help you with your internet business. However you have the time, try to make the time to try to drive traffic to your websites. Um, I know a lot of people are having such a hard time trying to get traffic, because there's so many people out there, so many competition that want to fight for traffic and try to get them, to subscribe to your channel or try to get more sales, whatever you are trying to do, trying to promote. I know you want your business to grow. So, right now I am actually just cleaning up my area. I have to clean up, because every time I do something crafty, it gets kind of a little messy. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just sorting out my living room right now, and I'm going to go back and start making more things. So, I hope you guys watch my videos and check back with me later. But don't forget, everyone, if you want to become successful, you can't put things off. You got to take action. Write your vision, write your goal, live out, write it down on a journal, and talk your story. Talk about your success. Talk about successful things that you're doing now, presently, because that's what's going to bring and manifest what you desire. All right, everyone, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check back with me later. Bye for now.